Hello friends, today we are going to write a Java program where we are going to enter a number and the program will print the factors of that number. Suppose if you enter 4, so the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. To understand how to find out the factors or divisors, let us take one example. Suppose you enter a number 4. Now your job would be to keep on counting from 1 to 4 and each time divide the number, that is 4, by the counter, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then the counter value is a factor or a divisor. Now see the example. Number you have entered, that is input, is what? 4. Now see the counter. You have to keep on counting from 1 to 4. See the column counter, that is I. It is counting from 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time the number, which is 4, first time it is getting divided by 1. And then the remainder you are getting what? 0. Make a note of it. Next time the counter value would be what? 2. So 4 again will be divided by 2. And you will again get the remainder as what? 0. Next time the counter value would be 3. 4 will again be divided by 3. And the remainder this time would be 1, which is not a factor. Next time when the loop goes back, the counter value would be what? 4. 4 will be divided again with 4 and the remainder would be 0. The loop again will go one time more and it will turn 5. So the condition would be false and it will come out of the loop. Now check the remainder column where 0 is present. 0 is present when counter is 1, 2 and 4. Therefore, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So here is the BlueJ window. The logic that we have understood just now will be written as a Java program. So public class factors, class is opening, public static void main, then you are entering an integer as parameter. This is the number that you are going to enter. Then main method is opening, and when the factors are getting printed, before that I want to print a message. So what message you are printing? The factors or divisors of whatever number you enter, that will be printed. Beside that the word R and few dots will be printed. And the cursor will come down to the next line. So this got printed and then you start the loop. I told you that you have to keep on counting from 1 to the number that you have entered. So for that reason I have written for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. And I told you that every time divide the number by the counter. So here it is, if n mod I is equal to 0, that means you are checking for the remainder as 0. If it is 0, so you go inside the if block and you print what? I, that is the counter value. And you are printing system.out.print. I am printing here horizontally, side by side. So it will print the factor and space, and this way it will keep on printing on the same line. Then you close the if block, then the for loop will close, and then main method, and finally the class. After compilation, see the status bar, it is showing you no syntax error. Now after this we are going to see the output. So we have written the program, compiled it, and here is the output on the terminal window. The factors or divisors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. As because I gave system.out.print, for that reason the factors are getting printed on a single line. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep watching and keep programming. Do subscribe for all my latest videos and practice the program that you have learned today. Thank you so much.